All right. So what about the third one, right? M shape changed to M shape. The third one is what I call the reversed M shape. So the third one is reversed M shape. So how to do that? Really, really simple. You take out your phone, right? You take a photo of that, and then you flip that. So how to do that? Really simple. Just go there, right? You just get this and flip it. So this is like exactly the same like I just draw. I just flip it left and right. Okay, as simple as that. So basically it's like a mirror reverse, right? And of course you can up down reverse. Okay, you can rotate it and then we can reverse. Okay, also works. Okay, but most of the time this is like a dress. So it's like for example skirt or curtain. So it's up down. Okay, so most of the time it's a mirror, but of course you can change it. You can just 19 degrees and 45 degrees if you're crazy enough. So that's also an M shape. If you look at that, it's just like M, right? It's like an M, right? The M can tilt it this way, okay? Or the M can tilt it this way, okay? Left and right doesn't really matter. Reverse the M shape. Of course, it can get 19 degrees, 45 degrees, and all that, as long as you get all this physics and make sense. Okay, doesn't really matter what kind of M that you are drawing. So let's look at here. So this previously we are like got the like tilted to the right, right? This is like M tilted to the right. Of course, we can tilt it to the left. So how to do that? If you draw this, you can just got just like me, you can just got like a computer and just flip it, right? So for drawing traditionally, you can do something like this. So basically, just go here, go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So this is also a reversed M shape. If you really look hard, this is like an M, right? It's like an M like this. Okay, it's like an M. So you know what, you can do that. As you know what, I draw that really like loosely. Okay, so you know what? First find this top. This is also considered top, even though it's the edges, right? It's like boop. It's like a top. So you know what? Get a top one here. You know what? Top. Okay, really simple. Find the top, and then rest of it is the bottom one, right? Rest of the bottom one, just bottom. Get this shadowy part. Oh my gosh. It's just so easy. And then you know what? Shading. This time I'm going to just make it completely black. Okay? You don't necessarily need to like feel everything. I want this to be like some some sketchy sort of thing. You know what? Different shading mechanism. Okay? So basically you start from there. So for example, we just got edges, right? Starting there, then boom, go the way up and down, right? And then up and down, up and down, up and down, then up. Doesn't really matter, okay? This can be a curtain, okay? So for example, this is like a window, it can be a curtain, okay? So that's the reverse M shape, okay? Just this mirror reverse. As simple as that.